Hello, I am Khushbu. Refer to the charts below and answer the question that follows. In the table here, shopping list in percentage buyers has been given, and in the pie chart, total number of people surveyed has been given region-wise. The total number of people surveyed is 15,000. If buyers among the people surveyed are only 5% of total number of buyers, then what is the sale of two-wheelers in the next 6 months? Number of two-wheeler buyers in the people surveyed will be the number of buyers in Delhi, that is 3% of 20% of the total number of buyers, that is 3 by 100 into 20 by 100 into 15,000 plus the number of buyers in Mumbai, that is 1.7% of 30% of total number of buyers, then the number of buyers in Kolkata, which is 1.9% of 10% of total number of buyers. The number of buyers in Bangalore is 7% of 25% of total number of buyers, and that in Chennai is 4.3% of 15% of total number of buyers, which will be 1.7 by 100 into 30 by 100 plus 1.9 by 100 into 10 by 100 plus 7 by 100 into 25 by 100 plus 4.3 by 100 into 15 by 100 whole into 15,000, which comes out to be 6 plus 5.1 plus 1.9 plus 17.5 plus 6.45 whole into 15, that is 36.95 into 15, which finally comes out to be 554.25. In the question it has been given that this is only 5% of total number of buyers. Therefore, total sales of two-wheeler will be 554.25 into 100 by 5, that is 11085, and so the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. Refer to the charts below and answer the question that follows. In the table here, shopping list in percentage buyers has been given, and the pie chart represents the number of people surveyed region-wise. Total number of people surveyed is 15,000. What is the minimum number of people who have planned to buy mobile phone as well as gold jewelry in the next 6 months? People buying mobile phone and or gold jewelry are people other than those buying none, only for Delhi and Bangalore, some of the people have to buy mobile phone as well as gold jewelry. Therefore, percentage of people planning to buy both things in Delhi will be the number of people buying gold jewelry plus the number of people buying mobile phone minus the number of people who are not buying anything, that is 100 minus 83, that will give 13.8 plus 4 minus 70, which gives 0.8%. Similarly, the percentage of people planning to buy both things in Bangalore will be 29.2 plus 6.6 plus 100 minus 65, that will be 0.8%. Therefore, minimum number of people planning to buy both the things will be 0.8 by 100 into the population of Delhi, which is 20% of 15,000 plus 0.8 by 100 into population surveyed in Bangalore, which is 25% of 15,000, which gives the result as 54. And so, the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. Refer to the charts below and answer the question that follows. Shopping list in percentage buyers has been given in the table, and the number of people surveyed region-wise has been shown in the pie chart. The total number of people surveyed is 15,000. What is the percentage of Delhi people among the surveyed people who have planned to buy refrigerators in next 6 months? The percentage of Delhi people among refrigerator buyers will be the number of people from Delhi buying refrigerator upon the total number of people buying refrigerator. That will be given by 1.3% of Delhi people, which contributes to 20% of 15,000. And similarly, calculating for other regions, we get 1.3 into 20 whole upon 1.3 into 20 plus 2.6 into 30 plus 1.9 into 10 plus 6.2 into 25 plus 2.1 into 15 whole into 100, that gives 26 upon 26 plus 78 plus 19 plus 155 plus 31.5 whole into 100, which gives 2600 upon 309.5, which is approximately 8.4%, and hence the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. Refer to the charts below and answer the question that follows. In the table here, shopping list and percentage buyers has been given, and in the pie chart, total number of people surveyed region-wise has been given. The total number of people surveyed is 15,000. What is the number of personal computers that will be sold in Kolkata in next 6 months? Since we do not have data about people which were not part of the survey, the number of PCs sold cannot be determined. So, the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you.
Hello, I am Chirag. Refer to the charts below and answer the questions that follows. Shopping list in percentage buyers. The question is, what percent of people surveyed as planned to buy none in next 6 months? Solution. From the table, it is very clear that the percentage of people plan to buy items in the next 6 months in Delhi is 83%, in Mumbai 82.2%, in Kolkata 84.7%, in Bangalore 65%, and in Chennai 78.0%. And from the pie chart, it is very clear that the number of people that surveyed in Delhi is 20%, Kolkata 10%, Bangalore 25%, Mumbai 30%, and Chennai 15%. Therefore, percentage of people who have planned not to buy in next 6 months is equal to, for Delhi, 83 multiplied by 20%, plus for Mumbai 82.2 multiplied by 30%, plus for Kolkata 84.7 multiplied by 10%, plus for Bangalore 65 multiplied by 25%, plus for Chennai 78 multiplied by 15%. On taking the LCM, we will get 1660 plus 2466 plus 847 plus 1625 plus 1170 divided by 100, which is equal to 7768 divided by 100, which is equal to 77.68%. Therefore, answer of this question is option number 3. Thank you.